All right. What's in your fridge? I got Gatorade. I like the red Gatorade, even though it makes me look like I'm wearing lipstick. I like it. What do I have? I've got hot dogs, salad, lunch meat, all for the salads. Oh yeah, this stuff here. I got this from Hy-Vee. I don't even know what it is. But I got Italian food, Mexican food, more salads, more salads. I just ate a salad. It was delicious. I use this stuff over here. I put this on my salad. Chicken fajita salad. They never give you enough meat with your salad, so you gotta sex it up a little bit. My wife taught me that. If I put these in wrong, when I open this door while I'm driving, the Gatorades will fall out and they'll stay here and I wasn't able to close the door. Maybe this has to go up here. All right, looks like I'm rich. Man, I just need some Klondike bars in the freezer. All right.